Welcome to a customer success story where innovation meets efficiency. Discover how Radisson Hotel Group revolutionized its support ticketing system with myMeta. Before myMeta, Radisson Hotel Group employees faced a lengthy, tedious process for logging software issues, submitting tickets, describing problems, capturing screenshots, a cycle that drained time and productivity. Each ticket required back-and-forth communication with developers, delaying solutions and impacting work. Let's hear it from Johan Mattsson, head of the internal PMS system at Radisson Hotel Group, on how the process was before.
One of the challenges that we had in the past was that the tickets coming from the actual users were quite low. Because they were standing in the hotels directly with the guest and did not really have the time to open a ticket. They would have to go to external platforms, spend a lot of time building up a case, sharing all the details and attachments that would be needed to create a ticket. So what often would happen is that the times when they did encounter an issue, they would share it with their superior, and then the superior would log the ticket for them. So a lot of information got lost directly on the way, and the volume of tickets were quite low as well. So we were missing the feedback that we needed for developing our platform.
With this challenge in hand, Johan and his team went out to search for a solution that was easy, quick, and reliable to implement. Their heads quickly turned to myMeta, as they already knew its transformative power.
We needed to push adoption for our platform, and we needed to do it quickly. And by waiting for a lengthy development cycle to be in place and waiting for a maintenance window, we didn't have the time. But we did have the myMeta adoption platform, which we got already for the step-by-step guides. And then we already had quantum metrics on top for our support gathering or the data gathering of the user behavioral on the platform. By integrating both, we could add myMeta directly and build this module dialog with a build function, which allowed us to do it super quickly without any interference on the actual platform.
Indeed, with myMeta, you can deploy solutions much faster than traditional deployment cycles and get instant feedback from the user. The team, leveraging myMeta's innovative software, introduced a user assistance button visible on every page of Radisson Hotel Group's company software. When an error occurs, employees click the button, quickly categorize the issue's urgency, and provide a brief summary. No more lengthy descriptions or extensive details. Additionally, essential information like application, browser, and location are captured automatically. Let's hear it from Johan on how the process is now after myMeta was implemented.
Previously, we realized that only 8% of the actual users would log the tickets. Today, with the myMeta and quantum integration, we see that all of the actual users can log the ticket directly in the platform. They don't need to go to the superiors anymore to have them log it on the platform. They can just click the button when they're standing with the guest directly and just mention directly what has happened, click submit, and then it's transferred directly to quantum metrics and being logged. And the front office agent can continue their work. So this speeds up the whole process flow for both the user. They can get the support ticket out of the way, and also for the support team.
And what about developing this solution with myMeta? Anything that stood out?
The simplicity of using myMeta, both with a no code and with a simple coding functions. Even I was able to create the buttons and the module that we needed and apply it to application directly. It did not take a lot of time to actually see what was going on the screen, and I could modify it, save it, publish it, and have instant feedback directly from some of the users, and then improve it directly without a sort of lengthy developing process, and I could get the feedback instantly and improve it.
Back in the IT department, Quantum Metric Platform filters sessions where myMeta Assistance was activated, allowing the team to view a replay of the issue, gather key information, and analyze the problem in real time. The power of Quantum Metric Platform becomes evident as it can rewind to see what caused the issue, check user actions, and even identify similar errors to assess their recurrence and impact. The support team can filter data over time, gaining insights into issue occurrence and patterns. And just like that, the company transformed a complex process into a streamlined, efficient solution. Logging and resolving issues became simpler, faster, and more effective, thanks to myMeta software and the quantum metric platform integration. Join us in embracing the future of workplace technology and making your digital experiences extraordinary.